Hey guys, I'm Shastek and welcome to today's video where I'm gonna need your help. I want to make vlog style tech videos. That involves me going outside and providing content whilst outdoors. That could include me just walking around or going to the park and making videos in the outdoors, being able to have a nice scenery in the background and be able to talk to you guys and do what I love, which is to provide news and content. I want your views as to if you'd like me to do this. Let me know in the comments below if that's a good idea, if you'd enjoy watching videos of me vlogging about tech news and reviews, as well as thoughts and opinions on any technology that comes out. Let me know in the comments below, guys, and I'll get back to you saying whether I'm gonna take this forward or I'm not gonna take it forward.